Okay, here's the tour so far. So these are 21 totes that I emptied out today, plus 5 that were a fabric that kind of fell apart as I touched them, so those are in the trash. These totes belong to my friend Sherry, who's coming next week to decide what she's keeping and what she's not. So when those are done, they'll get sorted into the fray. This is my start of my denim section, which all of this will be denim. This is felt, and up there is a very special category of Insulbright. These are my tote bags, which bags I gotta still go through. Unrelated to fabric, but that will eventually be denim or whatever I need. And then this is the wall of cotton and yardage, and this is 8 feet wide, these shelves, 4x4. This bin is all like small, already pre-cut stuff. This is fat quarters and strips and orphan blocks. I found a yard, a bolt of cotton, and then this wall is all odd stuff. Tapestry material, drapery material, satin, silks, laces, all of that kind of stuff. Patterns are under there. These 2 totes are ribbons. These are the cardboards that will eventually get wrapped with the fabrics. And then still stuff to sort out of this room. Stabilizers and fusible interfacings and things. More odd stuff. And then the wall of kind of odd stuff that I still have to kind of finish and sort through. All of my long rolls of stuff are blocking the door, but that's fine.